Hello everyone, this is Ruchi from Ruchi's Cafeteria, and today I'm sharing a card which I have created using Magnolia stamp from Mudra. This is such a beautiful stamp set with some bold flowers and perfect for coloring. For this card, I have stamped this image with embossing ink using my Misty tool and heat embossed with white embossing powder. Now I'm coloring them using my Zig markers. These markers are the best for watercolor. I'm using them from past 3 years and very satisfied with them. A little amount of these markers are more than enough. I have used red, orange and shades of pink for my flowers, just randomly blending them with each other using my water brush pen. Shades are number 21, 23, 24 and 25. I have used Strathmore watercolor paper for my coloring. This paper is perfect for zig markers and they blend very smoothly on this. For these tiny flowers, I have used shades number 30 and 31. For my leaves, I have used two shades of green, 40 and 41, and one shade of yellow, that coat is 50. For this big flower, I have used red and yellow and shades are 24 and 50. Created my background with shade codes 41, 42 and 96. I have placed my colored panel on red cardstock and stamped the sentiment from the same Magnolia set of Mudra Craft stamps. just added these mudra gold sequins here and there to finish my card. All the supplies are listed below in the description box. I hope you like it. Give it a try and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See ya!